Hi guys, this is hair removal cream for men is designed to make removed hair from areas like your back, chest, arms and legs quickly and simple. You can use it while you shower and it works fast, helping you get smooth looking skin that lasts longer than shaving. The formula is made for coarse, thin hair and it's easy to apply. Just spread the cream evenly on dry skin, wait a few minutes and rinse it off in the shower. The cream helps keep your skin looking clean and smooth without the health or regular shaving. It's not for use on your head or face, but it's a good option for body hair removal. Always read the instruction and test on a small area first to avoid irritation.